What's your name?
My name is Alejandra.
How do you spell your family name?
My family name is spelled Pedraza. Pedraza.
Where are you from?
I am from Bucaramanga, Colombia.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I'm doing both. I'm working in a bilingual call center and I'm studying.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Very interested. I love to know about the culture, the people, and especially the languages from another country. So I am very, very interested.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I love enjoy my free time watching series, movies, going out with my family, or baking.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
The best way always is practicing. I try to practice English, speaking with my friends, with my family, watching series in English, listening to music in English, but I'm always trying to practice English.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
I would love to learn any language, any other language, like in a really short time. That would be amazing. Thank you.